Lisa with LABOTANICA Plant Magic. We bring you Costa Rican-inspired botanical beauty formulas designed to nourish the skin and balance the mind. We are here to fall in love with the skin we live in and honor aging gracefully and beautifully, celebrating this beautiful body, which is our temple. I want to invite you to join this plant magic journey and unveil your unfiltered beauty. Are you with me? Today we are going to talk about ACV Revival. What is it? It is a scalp and hair tonic that enhances shine, balances pH, and detoxes your hair and scalp. 3-in-1. Where do we use it? We use it on our scalp and on our hair. The ritual is after shampooing and conditioning, squeeze the excess water from your hair and spray freely ACV Revival from roots to ends. Let it sit for 30 seconds and rinse out with cool water. Energetically, this allows you to connect your crown chakra and for it to blossom. Let's talk about the hero ingredients. Rosemary is known to have many benefits to alleviate scalp irritation with anti-inflammatory properties and hair growth power. It also helps balance the pH of the hair shaft. It's great for conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, and eczema. Our second superhero ingredient that we're featuring is apple cider vinegar, which is known to have benefits to strengthen the hair and improve luster by balancing the pH and closing the cuticles so the hair can have more shine. It is also known to balance conditions like dandruff, psoriasis, or eczema, or flaky skins. Let's talk about some insider tips. If you're not a shampooer, this is a great product, a great potion to cleanse your hair in between washes. So you would just wet your hair and would spray freely because the ingredients in it are known to be antibacterial and antifungal. So you can just re-wet your hair, spray, rinse out, and go on. Also great in between workouts, great if you want to skip a shampoo, if you're coming out of the ocean or the pool. One secret, this product, this potion, ACV Revival, may smell like a salad, but trust me, you won't. ACV Revival is the ultimate connection to your crown chakra and will radiate and shine because your scalp and hair will be healthy, will be beautiful, and you will feel amazing. Have a great day and Pura Vida. Hola, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're in this plant magic journey to reveal our unfiltered beauty and trust the journey. Can't wait to see you again. Messages if you have any questions. Pura Vida.